We are back with 20 coolest car gadgets on Amazon you will need in 2024. So get ready, and let's get started. Let's start with this headlight restoration kit that uses a unique system for evaporating liquid polymer heat to restore polycarbonate headlights damaged by sun or weather. Begin by cleaning the surface, then follow by a grinding process to remove the damaged area. The final step involves hand or machine sanding with 1200 or 1500 grit paper. Next, heat up to 80 milliliters of liquid polymer in the device's heat container for 5 minutes. The evaporator system then applies the polymer, renewing the headlight quickly and easily. The process yields a spectacular finish, saving time and effort in protecting surrounding areas. Any excess liquid can be stored back in the original packaging for future use, ensuring efficiency and convenience. The Carbon Creeper boasts a sleek design that not only looks great, but also offers exceptional comfort compared to standard garage creepers. Its super low-profile design allows you to get under cars with ease, offering extra clearance when working on lower-body vehicles and more room when working on higher 4x4 style vehicles. This creeper features a carbon-wrapped foam back and headrest for added comfort, along with 6 PU ball bearing casters to ensure smooth movement around the workshop. Additionally, it has 2 storage compartments, providing space for tools, nuts, bolts, and spare parts, making vehicle maintenance more convenient and organized. Next is the Fobo Tire Plus, a cutting-edge wireless tire pressure monitoring system that enhances road safety by maintaining optimal tire pressure. This gadget uses Bluetooth 4.0 technology to connect with your Android or iOS devices, offering real-time tire pressure monitoring. With its intelligent in-car monitoring unit, you can track your tire pressure around the clock, even when your car ignition is switched off. It also sends alerts if your smartphone is not nearby, and can monitor up to 600 kilopascals or 87 psi. Get this gadget now and have peace of mind and prevent accidents caused by underinflated tires. This one worth your attention. The Solid Shield, a game-changing invention from Saudi Arabia, a country known for its vast deserts and sandy terrains. This metal plate attaches to your car's wheel, significantly boosting traction and enabling easy navigation across challenging terrains. In this demonstration video, watch as car stuck in sand effortlessly frees itself with the help of the Solid Shield. The manufacturer provides plates in various shapes and sizes to suit different vehicle needs, all neatly packed in a compact bag. This gadget will be a great investment for any off-road enthusiast. Look, it is a wireless, easy-to-install backup camera. Unlike most aftermarket backup cameras, which are complicated and expensive to set up, Look, it can be installed quickly without complicated wiring or drilling holes in your vehicle. It wirelessly connects to a smartphone, turning your iPhone or Android device into a rear backup system. With a wireless remote, your smartphone unlocks instantly, displaying the camera image. The installation takes just 10 minutes, and features adjustable grid lines for parallel parking assistance. The Astra Mini Lift is a compact and efficient lifting system that enables you to work on vehicles at the perfect height and easily move them to the next required area, using trolley wheels. Its unique lift-and-move system enhances productivity and optimizes space utilization by allowing easy and quick movement of vehicles to desired location. The trolley wheels attach and detach quickly, streamlining your workflow. The lift is great for working on the car at the right height, enhancing body shop productivity, workflow, and space utilization. With a minimum height of just 120 millimeters, it's able to go under most vehicles, and comes with a 3-year warranty for added peace of mind. RackJack offers a dependable, easy-to-use pneumatic jack, perfect for repair shops. This powerful jacking tool is ideal for frameworks, alignment machines, and various repair tasks. With a compact and maintenance-free operation, it simplifies installing pinch weld clamps on frame machines. Manufactured to strict tolerances in our facility in Danbury, Connecticut, with precision using computer-controlled machines, RackJack ensures proven reliability and durability for consistent vehicle lifting in your repair shop. Autoliv made the Torricelli brake concept to address late braking issues in car accidents. Designed to enhance autonomous emergency braking, it reduces stopping distances significantly. Named after Italian physicist Evangelista Torricelli, the brake utilizes a vacuum-induced plate under the vehicle that sucks down into the road during emergency braking situations, supplementing the vehicle's existing braking technology. Inspired by Torricelli's vacuum studies and barometer invention, this innovative brake aims to enhance road safety by minimizing braking distances. For adventurers who thrive on pushing the boundaries and exploring remote landscapes, MadRamps offer unparalleled freedom. Designed to facilitate seamless loading and transport, MadRamps embody innovation, safety, and adaptability. More than just a loading solution, they represent a paradigm shift in adventure vehicle transportation. With its unmatched design and exceptional versatility, this pivoting ramp system empowers off-road exploration, allowing thrill seekers to venture further off the beaten path. Embrace the freedom to roam and explore untamed terrain like never before with Mad Ramps, the ultimate companion for those who dare to go beyond the beaten path. Seeking a safer option than the conventional road flares? Look no further than TrackSafe LED flares, now available on Amazon. This innovative gadget comes in a compact protective box with 2 signal sticks that can be easily mounted in seconds. Their bright colors, flashing LEDs, and reflective surfaces offer enhanced visibility from up to 5,000 feet away, providing a safer and more effective way to signal drivers. Moreover, these LED flares are reusable and can hold their charge for an extended period, unlike traditional counterparts that last only 15 minutes. Are you ready to dominate the streets like a true road king? Then equip your wheels with these dynamic LED lights, and maybe a touch of advanced driving finesse. These wheel rings offers a wide spectrum of colors and lighting modes, tailored to your creative vision. One thing's for sure, your car will turn heads. Compatible with all vehicle types, from cars to SUVs and trucks, these waterproof light strips ensure worry-free usage in any weather. Use remote control to change colors and modes, or mobile app to create personalized patterns that complement your vehicle perfectly. Installation is a breeze, thanks to its adjustable mounting options and a step-by-step video tutorial. This is Auto Cafe, the ultimate companion for coffee lovers on the move. No more settling for cold coffee during your daily commute if you have this innovative electric cup holder. Priced affordably, the Auto Cafe is a must-have for anyone who enjoys a steaming cup of coffee. Equipped with a built-in heater, it monitors the temperature of your drink and automatically turns on when it starts to cool. Designed to fit snugly into your center console cup holder, and it's safe to use with disposable cups, as well as porcelain, plastic, and metal mugs. Get your Auto Cafe today, and enjoy a piping hot cup of coffee wherever you go. Next is the Icon Life, a versatile and portable car wash tool, essential for car enthusiasts. With its adjustable water jet angle of 0 to 40 degrees, this gadget effortlessly tackles stubborn dirt and clean hard-to-reach areas with ease. Whether connected to a water tank or a standard hose, it is designed to work with any water source. Equipped with various brushes, including rotating ones, it ensures a comprehensive cleaning on all surfaces. This car wash gun offers an affordable and practical solution to keep your car looking pristine and brand new. Ditch the hassle of searching for tissues while driving, if you have this car tissue holder. Crafted with high-quality materials, it's compatible with most car models, making it a sleek and practical addition to your vehicle. Easy to install, this holder ensures your tissues are always within arm's reach whenever you need them, offering both convenience and style to your car's interior. The Limelight 2-Post offers a universal lighting solution for all 2-post lifts and mobile column lifts, regardless of type. It seamlessly integrates into the lift without the need for drilling, providing a flexible and convenient lighting option. Equipped with magnets, it can be easily positioned underneath the car and moved to the desired location using the 5-meter spiral cable. Whether illuminating the entire car or focusing on specific areas, like the engine bay or wheel arches, its versatile design ensures optimal visibility. Attach it to the bonnet with magnets for engine repairs, or use the suction cup to position it on the side of the car for wheel arch repairs. Fed up with door dings tarnishing your car's value? Whether it's the mall parking, airports, or crowded lots, this car accessory shields your vehicle from unnecessary dents. Unlike standard guards, Dent Goalie's impact-resistant panels cover vulnerable areas, defending against unwanted dents and scratches. Each set includes 2 large weatherproof panels with magnetic strips for a secure hold. Designed for ease, they attach swiftly and fold flat for storage. However, they're not suitable for aluminum or fiberglass body parts. Also, each panel has an anti-theft security cord that locks to the inside of the vehicle, ensuring peace of mind while parked. Say goodbye to unwanted dents and scratches with Dent Goalie, a unique solution for preserving your vehicle's pristine condition. Anything can happen on the road, make sure you have some extra power for emergencies. This compact powerhouse will juice up literally any device you've taken with you, even if it's your car. Low battery? Okay, there are 2 more ports to charge multiple devices at a time. Oh, and there's a built-in flashlight with several brightness modes for the low-light adventures. The Tri-One tablet holder for car is a versatile retractable device, compatible with nearly 95% of car models. It's ideal for headrest rods, spaced 2 to 7 inches apart, and accommodates devices ranging from 4.7 to 12.9 inches diagonally, providing stability and safety while driving, and saves space without blocking your way in and out of the car. And boasts a sleek modern design. The Shiner Baby Car Mirror is designed to alleviate parents' concerns when driving with infants in their car. Compatible with most vehicles, it enables you to monitor your baby while driving. Featuring adjustable buckle straps and a pivoting backrest attachment, the mirror offers 360 degrees angle adjustment for optimal viewing. Now, you can focus on both driving and caring for your baby with ease and peace of mind. The twist step is the best way for helping your furry friend to get into your vehicle with ease. This versatile step attaches to your SUV's hitch receiver, providing instant access for your dog. With a simple lift of a pin, it twists to assist your dog to load in or load out from the vehicle. Capable of holding up to 400 pounds on a Class 3 hitch, it ensures stability and safety. When not in use, the twist step conveniently stores under the bumper, preserving your vehicle's aesthetics. Its corrosion-resistant coating ensures durability for long-lasting use. By reducing the impact and stress on your pet's joints, it minimizes the risk of conditions like arthritis, leg injuries, and back sprains caused by repetitive jumping. This is the list of some of the best car accessories available on Amazon. If you got value from this video, by all means, hit the like button, so YouTube will promote it to more people. Also, if you want to see more of these tech gadgets in action, subscribe to this channel for videos like this every week. In addition to the video you have watched, and the ones that I'm recommending to you, you'll find some of the most fascinating gadgets that'll make your life so much easier. I am Philip, and thanks for checking out this episode. See you in the next one.